Oh, he's looking this way. I'll attack from behind. What the hell? How does this Himar always know where I'm hiding? Enough. A picture?
That wasn't a real guard. Voila, it's a billboard. No matter where the camera goes, it rotates to face it. Right, game dev?
Exactly. It's a common optimization. Distance, trees, bushes, signs, even some enemies can be simple 2D sprites that always face the camera, making them look 3D while saving performance. You can just drag and drop the PNG file, set it to a sprite, and then give this simple code. Ta-da! And make sure that you are in the play mode.
Then why put one here?
We ran out of soldiers.
So there are no more guards around here?
I probably shouldn't have said that.
Come here, Habibi. Ta'al. I'll try to make it quick.
Astaghfirullah, help, ya ibn Kalb.